Okay, guys, so here I am in Gramfu, little ahead of Gramfu actually. uh, ये जो पॉइंट है ये कोक्सर से अराउंड 6 और 7 किलोमीटर्स आगे है और यहाँ पर ऑफिशियली एटीवीज़ भी अलाउड नहीं है। तो मेरा जो ये 2-3 दिन का छोटा सा ट्रिप था, दिल्ली, मनाली, देन सिसु, केलोंग, जिस्पा एंड देन दिस दारचा से होते हुए शिंकुला पास और शिंकुला पास से वापस देन केलोंग और सिसु के रास्ते कोक्सर एंड देन कोक्सर से ग्रम्फू बाय वॉक ऑब्वियसली एंड देन आफ्टर दिस आई विल हेड बैक टू मनाली and today evening I will take bus for Delhi and I will conclude my trip here. So before proceeding, I mean this is not a vlog to show you the beauty of these valleys. This is a kind of informative video where I will share some of the informations regarding this trip, and this is also kind of experience I'm gonna save for myself for future. So it's a one take video. I thought it's a good point here, Gramfu, because this is also I wanted to explore by foot and I'm here. So I thought let's use this silent beauty to record this informative video. So let's have a look at the valley at my back before starting the video. It's beautiful, isn't it? So here actually officially ATVs are not allowed, but I don't know, I mean some of the vehicles are coming here, maybe unofficially, or I don't know. Okay, let's start. I left Delhi. I took bus from Delhi to Manali and as usual जितना जल्दी स्टार्ट करोगे उतना जल्दी पहुँचोगे और वहाँ से you can take whatever you want, 2-wheeler, 4-wheeler, as per your finances, as per your requirement, if you are coming with family or whatever. And after this I took actually Ntorq, TVS Ntorq, and then because I was traveling solo this time, उसके बाद मैं गया आगे। मुझे नहीं पता था मैं कहाँ जाऊँगा। मैंने पहले सोचा था मैं मनाली में रुकूँगा, बट मैंने आई थॉट कि जल्दी पहुँच गया हूँ टाइम से, तो लेट्स एक्सप्लोर लिटिल बिट अहेड, जहाँ पर भी नेटवर्क होगा। सो फर्स्ट आई रीच सिसु। वहाँ मुझे ज़्यादा अपीलिंग नहीं लगा, थोड़ा सा क्राउडेड था। I don't know, I didn't get that feel. फिर I thought I will explore Kelong also, so I went to Kelong. Kelong में भी Kelong is a beautiful place by the way, but it's kind of a capital city of this or commercial city of that Lahaul Valley. तो वहाँ पर भी काफ़ी चीज़ें अच्छी थी, ब्यूटीफुल थी, डेवलप्ड थी। फिर I thought actually from the starting of this trip I wanted to explore Shankula Pass. So I thought let's go closer to that point. So I went to Jispa, and Jispa is a beauty, you know. There is a river stream, there are camps, riverside camps are available there. Snow-capped mountains quite closer to you, like Kelong, and because you are at height after all, and you can see the Kelong Valley also from some points, and you are closer to the Shankula Pass. And stays are good, network is good, you can get Wi-Fi if you want to work from home, and everything is better there, and there are quite good properties. Stargazing is amazing. You can see my vlog there. It's a different video. You can explore that one if you want to see the beauty and everything. उसके बाद I stayed in Jispa. That gave me an added advantage कि I was actually at a quite a good elevation before moving to Sinkula Pass. Otherwise Manali से यदि सिंकुला पास आप डायरेक्ट जाते हो, you are getting a lot of elevation, and there might be a chance of there's nausea and this high altitude sickness. So I would recommend, instead of staying in Manali, if you don't want to explore Manali as such, go ahead, travel 1.5 and 2 hours, and then reach to Kelong or Jispa, wherever you like Jispa. I will suggest Jispa, and it's a beautiful place. And from next day you can explore Shankula Pass if you want to. उसके बाद the next day I started with my two-wheeler only. I knew that Shankula Pass was not available for two-wheelers. Only 4x4 was permitted to go there. But I started my journey with two-wheeler, and I crossed Darcha it's 11,000 feet. And then after that, there was a checkpoint where he mentioned that up to 18 miles, they quote it like 18 miles point or 18 Somudu, I don't remember the name exactly, but up to 18 kilometers you can travel, and rest of the 14 or 16 kilometers you have to take 4x4. This is the situation right now. It's a April video. So I thought let's explore with two-wheeler wherever it's possible. So I went there, uh, and I must say that 18 mile wala jo stop tha, it's a beautiful stop. It's a 360-degree snow-capped mountains, and you can also see a river stream there. It's quite safe. Unlike other mountain snow area जो होता है, that was a this 18 mile was a kind of a landscape flat area where you can go anywhere. It's a very untouched snow, and it's a beautiful route throughout. I mean, I have explored the whole route with two-wheelers, so you can also explore like that. It's quite safe. There are few patches where landslide prone area is mentioned, and it's actually a landslide prone area because of dry mountains and everything. But अच्छा, बहुत अच्छा एरिया यार. इट्स मतलब मैं तो वहाँ पे स्टे रुकने वाला था अच्छे देर के लिए. फिर मुझे पता चला कि I can go to Shankla Pass also because there are 4x4s were available there for rental, and you can rent a whole vehicle in 3,500. There is nothing overpricing or nothing like that. I felt that very good in whole Himachal, in this area actually where I have explored. There's no overpricing. There are union rates, and it feels quite satisfying. Like you don't have to mess up with the negotiations and everything. So it's good. I waited for some time because I was alone. So I waited. I actually discussed with multiple drivers if they can, take me with some negotiated money. But that was a union rate, so nobody agreed on that. उसके बाद I waited for like 45 minutes or 60 minutes, and I was just waiting for, let's please come someone with whom I can go. There were many personal vehicles they were taking. There were many personal 4x4s also. They were also permitted. So जा रहे थे वहाँ पे लोग. So I came across that family. They were 4 people, 2 couples basically. So I asked them if I can go with them, but they said it's already occupied. So I asked them, okay, I will sit in the cargo. It's open there. I will sit in the cargo, and that was the best decision I made. I sat in the cargo, and the whole valley was passing through me. Then we were going to Shankla top, and I recorded few of the videos there also. I will put it in the vlog. So we were 5 people, 3,500, so 700 each. I paid 700 and I went to Shankla top, and it's a beautiful top here. For now at least, because it's little unexplored, and I reached very early in the morning also. And this is one of the benefit when you stay in Jispa. You can start early, and before the things get crowded because of the Manali to Shankla Pass wala traffic, you can go there and explore. And that pollution, air pollution of this diesel vehicles, you can skip that, and it's very fresh air kind of feeling. It's very good. और वहाँ पर बेसिकली ये एयर पोल्यूशन नहीं होता, तो हाई एल्टीट्यूड सिकनेस के चांसेस भी थोड़े से कम होते हैं. ओके, सो आई स्टेड देयर फॉर लाइक 1 hour, एंड फिर वापस आए. And again I sat in the cargo, and it was an amazing feeling. Shankla Pass being 16,500 feet above the sea level, so it's actually high altitude level, yeah. And you are gaining a lot of altitude in this from Manali to Shankla only. So after that I drove back to Koksar via again Keelong, Jispa, Keelong, Sisu से होते हुए Koksar में. Koksar is a little bit on the right side of the Atal Tunnel. So it takes around 15-20 minutes from Atal Tunnel to reach there. And I stayed in Mostash Luxuria, Koksar. It's even before the Koksar, just nearby to this area, अटल टनल वाला. फिर उसके बाद मैं मॉर्निंग वॉक के लिए आया था, ये वाला एरिया ऑन द राइट साइड. कोक्सर, ग्रम्फू, ये वाला एक्सप्लोर करने के लिए मुझे था. तो कोक्सर तक मैं आया. वहाँ तक एक पॉइंट तक आप टू व्हीलर्स वगैरह लेके आ सकते हो. उसके बाद केवल ATVs अलाउड हैं. तो ATVs में आ सकते हो. ATVs में आई थिंक 2 लोग बैठ सकते हैं, 2 एडल्ट्स और 2+1. और क्या चार्जेस है मैंने पूछा नहीं, मैं जस्ट वॉक करता रहा वहाँ से. और वहाँ काफ़ी कमर्शलाइज्ड है. स्नो सूट्स वगैरह के लिए बहुत बोलेंगे, बट आई थिंक वो ज़रूरी नहीं है. जब आप आ जाओ स्नो पॉइंट पे, फिर आपको यदि लगे कि हाँ स्नो में अंदर जाना है, कुछ करना है, तो आप स्नो सूट वगैरह लेके आओ. वो ज़रूरी है. कंफर्टेबल रहते हैं और यू कैन एक्सप्लोर एक्चुअली विदाउट यू नो थोड़ा विदाउट टेकिंग टेंशन ऑन योर क्लोथिंग्स एंड ऑल. ओके, तो यहाँ पर आ गया. फिर अब वापस जाऊँगा, वॉक करके नीचे देखता हूँ कोई लिफ्ट मिलेगी तो अच्छा है, वरना वॉक करके तो जानी है. उसके बाद आई विल गो बैक टू मनाली. विल ट्राई टू एक्सप्लोर मनाली, कपल ऑफ मे बी कैफ़ेज़. देखते हैं क्या टाइम रहता है. उसके बाद आई विल लीव फॉर दिल्ली. दिस वाज अ स्वीट 2-3 days trip I planned from Delhi, because my wife and kid was at Nani's house and my parents were at dharmic 9-10 days trip for South India. So I found myself a bit of personal time, and I did the uh, most important thing which I felt was travel. And I think I took best decisions every time, like to go to Manali, like to not go to track or something, because I wanted to be in network zone, because my parents are traveling. तो कभी मुझे यदि ज़रूरत पड़ती है नेटवर्क की, उनको किसी चीज़ के लिए कोऑर्डिनेट करने का, तो नेटवर्क जोन में रहना था. So right from Jispa here also, everywhere there was a good network. I stayed in network zone, so that was also a good decision. And then not staying in Manali to go to Jispa, that was the best decision, because उसकी वजह से ही मैं स्विंकला टॉप जा पाया, वरना मैं नहीं जा पाता. That was for sure. और यहाँ वॉक करके आना भी एक अच्छा डिसीजन था. ATV से भी आ सकते हो if you want to save time. I was not that much strict on the time availability, so I have a lot of time. So वॉक करके आना यहाँ पर भी अच्छा रहा. अब क्योंकि मैं श्रृंखला वगैरह होके आ गया था, तो यहाँ पर इतना ज़्यादा मुझे कुछ हाई एल्टीट्यूड का या कुछ ब्रीदिंग का इशू नहीं आया. ओके, दैट्स ऑल. Few things, if you are exploring snow areas, take good glasses, good quality polarized glasses, because श्रृंखला में तो बहुत लोग ऐसे कंप्लेन कर रहे थे कि उनको कुछ दिख ही नहीं रहा है. वो पिंक, येलो, वो सारे नहीं चलते भाई. जब स्नो होता है ना 360 डिग्रीज, वो नहीं चलता, कुछ नहीं चलता. तो अच्छे ग्लासेस लेके आओ, बूट्स अच्छे लेके आओ. यहाँ पर सब जगह मिलता है, बट साइजेस का इशू रहता है, सॉक्स का इशू रहता है, बहुत सारी चीज़ें रहती हैं. इफ़ यू वांट टू enjoy at the best, boots are important. Waterproof, yes. And snow suits लेके आओगे तो बेटर है. मेरे पास जो कंप्लीट लोअर एंड जैकेट था, वो दैट वाज वाटरप्रूफ, तो मुझे कोई इशू नहीं आया. बट बाकी लोग जो मेरे साथ गए थे, दे वर क्वाइट टेकिंग टेंशन ऑन दैट फ्रंट. ओके, दैट्स इट. इट्स अ सिंगल टेक इन्फॉर्मेटिव वीडियो, सो हो सकता है कहीं पे बीच में बोर हुए तो आई एम सॉरी. बट दिस वॉज फॉर बोथ, फॉर यू ऑल्सो एंड फॉर मी ऑल्सो, to remind me after 10 years or 15 years that I took this decision, which which is going to give me memory of a lifetime, I would say, because it was a solo trip, and I used to do it quite frequently 7 or 8 years ago. After that, I couldn't get chance of that. So this was something I was missing, and I completed this one. Okay, bye. All the best.